Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix unable to install app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices, then in this video I'll show you how you can fix this problem if you are having this type of problem. So now let's get started. First of all, here you will need to open setting, then here scroll it below. So here you will have to search for Safari browser, tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below. Then here you will have to search for clear history and website data. You will need to just simply tap on this. Then here you will have to turn on the toggle, close all tabs. After that, here you will need to tap on clear history. After that, here you will need to scroll it below, then tap on advanced. Then after that, here you will have to tap on website data. Here you will have to remove all website data by tapping here, then tap on remove now. After that, go back, and here you will have to make sure that these three toggles are turned on from here. Then after that, close this tab. Then after that, here you will need to tap on setting. Then here you will have to make sure that you are using a strong internet connection. After that, here check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, volume down, and here you will have to press the power button until the Apple logo appears. And after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to open setting. Then here scroll it below, tap on general. Then tap on software update, and here make sure that you're using an updated version of iOS. If here is any update available, then you will have to update your iPhone to the latest version, and then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you'll have to again open setting, then tap on general, then here scroll it below, tap on date and time, and make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here. Then after that, here you will have to tap on background app refresh, and here make sure that the background app refresh is turned off from here. Then after that, go back, and here you will have to tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with VPN, and then after that try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting. Then after that, here you will have to enter your iPhone passcode, and after that, after all these settings, the problem will be fixed and you will be able to install that app on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.